Okay, go.
I'm opening up my presents from my daddy.
Okay.
I'm opening up my presents from my daddy.
It's Christmas 2012. Need some help?
I
Pull on the ribbon in the front. Pull on one of those. There you go.
did it in a knot. Daddy, please don't do these in a knot.
You're going to have to help her slide the ribbon off.
You got it? There.
Oh my gosh. Am I going to be up all night opening up presents?
Looks like it.
Oh my God. It really does look like.
Is it Christmas Day, Lindy?
It's green. Kind of looks like it's green because those American Girl
I don't know why you think it's that.
Open up your present.
Oh, did it bonk you?
Don't hit me in the head. It is American Girl doll. What's your name, Mrs.? Can I just open you up? Do you have clothes? Yes, good. You wear clothes. Could you just tell me why you're not?
Are you excited? Lindy.
Yeah, I am. But I just need to open up this cuckoo clock present.
Cuckoo clock present.
I love you, American Girl doll. Please stay with me this night.